Now let's look at groups. Push-to-talk groups allow 3 or more contacts to participate in a single Push-to-Talk Plus call. This application allows you to create predetermined groups and then assign them to push-to-talk devices within your organization. Assigned contacts within a push-to-talk group may have one of 2 roles: participant or supervisor. The supervisor role allows a contact to take the floor in an active group call. This helps the supervisor keep calls on track and be productive. Up to 100 groups can be assigned to a single device, with a maximum of 250 contacts per group. From the Push-to-Talk page, click on the Groups tab. This is where you will see a list of your groups and where you can create a new group. Start by entering the name of the group you want to create in the box provided. Click Create. Now we're ready to add members to the group. Click on Select Members. As seen in prior examples, select from a list of internal or external contacts and click Submit. You will see a pop-up confirming your entries. Now click Submit. You see a confirmation message as shown here. Click OK to return to the group page. Now click on your new group. In this example, we'll click on the Operations group that we just created. From here, you can choose who among the group members receives supervisor status. When finished, click on Update. There you have it. You just created one of the most powerful communication tools for your organization: Group Talk.